robust operational quarter from Ultratech Cement. Remember, ACC also delivered its results and it was a strong beat across most of the segments. And just like ACC, Ultratech too has managed to handsomely beat the analyst expectations. It's been many consecutive quarters of beating street expectations as far as the cement universe is concerned. This time around too, the earnings season has got off to a very strong start, with ACC and Ultratech both big ticket names, very large players as far as the Indian cement industry is concerned, managing to deliver very robust operational performance despite the company operations being impacted by wave 2 of the lockdowns that ensued due to the wave 2 of the pandemic. Core revenues coming in close to 11,830 crore, up almost 54% on a year-on-year basis. Core EBITDA coming in over 3,300 crore, jumping up 59%. Margins coming in quite steady, closer to the 28% mark. Profitability doubling on a year-on-year basis, coming in close to the 1,700 crore mark. Sales volume jumped up by almost 47% on a year-on-year basis, coming in at 21.5 million ton. Of course, we have to keep in mind that the numbers are of a significantly lower base, but despite that, when you're comparing it to the poll or to the analyst expectations, it is a handsome beat as far as Ultratech Cement is concerned. The company clearly has managed to keep above average realization trends due to strong pricing, and also has managed to keep costs down despite company having so many cost initiatives. What's actually happened is that the production cost has increased almost 11% on a year-on-year basis, mainly due to higher fuel prices. Coal, petcoke, diesel prices are on an upswing. Diesel prices especially are hurting as far as cement companies are concerned. Effective capacity utilization coming in at 73%. And when you're talking about the expansion program, the company says that the expansion program is on track, estimated to be completed by the end of FY23. The company also has said that it has managed to keep a strong average realization trend as per analysts and resilient input costs, keeping input costs quite steady. The company says that the expansion of the 19.5 million tons per annum cement capacity, it is on track. What else did the management say? Second wave impacted domestic cement consumption in both the rural as well as the urban areas, and in fact they say that the impact was similar across both rural as well as urban areas. They're also saying that the construction activities are slowly coming back towards the normalcy, which is good news. They're saying that North India, the individual home building activity, witnessed increase in demand led by rural housing, and when talking about Maharashtra, demand was seen across the housing as well as the infrastructure segment. So clearly some pockets of demand, some pockets of green shoots of recovery are seen as far as infrastructure, rural home building as well as the individual home builder is concerned, and this is something that is quite positive going in for the entire construction pack.